Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a very cool bling transition. So basically I have a clip, so I'm going to trim a little bit first, and it's actually a female and it's only one eye and it's blinking. Yep, and actually it doesn't really open again. So what I'm gonna do is that I am going to copy another clip by pressing Option, drag it upwards and bring it to the end, and select this clip, reverse clip. So it's like a blinking kind of a clip created. But as you can see that this blinking motion is very slow. I'm going to cut at the start of the blink, and yep, around here, and I'm gonna fast forward. Yeah, it's still kind of slow, so I am going to fast forward a little bit more around here, and yep. And the second part will be select everything together, press Option G and create a compound clip. And then I'm gonna cut this clip to two parts, something like that. And I'm gonna come to this box over here and choose crop and choose cam burns, and just as you see the green box is over here, so that's the start. I'm gonna minimize it around this size. Yep, so it's kind of scary, right? But yep, that's like a blinking kind of motion. Actually, I'm gonna cut again around here, repeat the step of cam burns, but now the end, the red box, it is this pupil click done. So let's try zooming out, blink, zooming in. I'm gonna go to the effects column and then type mask and drag the draw mask onto the first clip, and then choose B-spline and create a kind of a shape of this pupil. Yep, and click invert mask, and you see yep, it's kind of scary, right? And then I'm gonna drag two clips actually below here. Okay, now it comes the tricky part. So I'm gonna create a duplicate of the draw mask effect and press Command C and Command Shift V. Only copy over the draw mask effect, and then as you can see that this thing is not a very nice, display, because this eye is blinking. And for a slacker like me, I'm just gonna create a keyframe over here, and then just over here quickly drop the field opacity to 0, so something like that. And if you want to drag it a little bit longer, you can just drag the button over here. Yep, something like that. Yep, it's hardly noticeable, but it's still kind of obvious. So what we can do is at the start, lower the field opacity already, and then bring down these stuff over here and increase the fall off. Yep, that's just lazy ass me, and for the start part, what I suggest is that you need to lower the field opacity along the way as well. So around here, let's create a keyframe, and then from here to here I'm gonna drag it to 80 plus, something like that. I'm gonna go back around here and then select the clip bottom of this draw mask and create keyframe opacity, and then around here create another keyframe opacity animation as well. Let me close this, show video animation. Yep, you can see that there's distinct 2 dots over here. So first dot, I'm gonna drag it to around this part, 60. So when you hit play, yep, it's kind of getting more realistic, and you can even decrease it even further, bring it down to say 40, 38, and then yep, I can even bring down further on this part. So bring down to say 20 over. You can actually change it at the fill opacity to bring it even lower. Yep, and for this part I'm just gonna duplicate this draw mask as well, and then from here obviously I need to change both the fill opacity and the actual opacity of the clip. So basically I'm gonna just drop it to 0, and as it starts to open the eye, it's a very quick process, so quickly it's going to be getting higher and higher and higher. So as it zoom in, we're gonna increase the fill opacity to 100%, maybe not so fast, but definitely at this point 100%. And then similarly I'm gonna repeat the process, show video animation, and then go to the clip over here, opacity, bring down to 30 over percent, and then from here create a keyframe, bring it to say 75-ish, and then from here increase it even higher like this, and then as it progresses along it's gonna increase as well until this point. So yeah, 100%. Yep, something like that. And if you want, you can always do some more fine-tuning. If not, it's kind of good, and that should be it. And this is the end of today's tutorial. It's kind of messy, sorry for this, and hope you guys enjoyed this. Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. That's all. Bye bye.